This is a set of coil spacers for your Ford Transit that's gonna lift it 2 inches, and they come in at just $450.
And this is the ultimate Ford Transit suspension package that costs over $8,000, but is more expensive, the better option for your Ford Transit.
We're gonna find out today. I'm MV, and this is Taylor. You're watching WeldTec Designs, driven further.
So you just got yourself a brand new all-wheel drive Ford Transit. It's cool looking, but it can always look cooler. Clearly the first order of business is bigger tires, but fitment might prove to be a fool's errand since the stock setup is less than favorable toward thicker meats. Like some, MV did the sensible thing. Got the bigger tires in hopes that they will fit.
Oh my God.
You know, to fit that big of a tire on there, you're gonna have to put a lift on it.
That's a great idea.
Let's go check out our options.
Luckily, Taylor is going to help out MV. When it comes to lift kits for the all-wheel drive Transit, there are a plethora of options, but one option truly sets itself apart from the rest of the pack. WeldTec Designs is the premier destination for van suspension, and they are at it again with the all-wheel drive Ford Transit. But to fully grasp our options, we need to pay a visit to the WeldTec Designs showroom. The WeldTec Designs showroom is truly one to marvel at. With suspension options ranging from vans, RVs, and of course transits, it's easy to feel in good hands here. The display racks give us the full scope of what is included in a WeldTec Designs suspension package. A majority of the products are designed and made in the USA. Time to head to the studio and really dig into the components of the all-wheel drive Transit suspension offerings.
I had a really good time back there at the showroom checking out all those different components. I mean, those showroom racks are really awesome, okay? But now we're in the studio and we're gonna look into these components and dive into what's actually on these Ford Transit lift kits. So, first off, I have these 2 metal triangles that are
Okay, whoa, those aren't just triangles, dude.
Okay.
Those are coil spacers. Fully aluminum coil spacers, dude.
Okay, I figured there's a name for them. They look like metal triangles to me, but either way, I'm told for $450, I'm getting 2 inches of lift out of my vehicle. I can run a bigger tire, plus at just $450, I have a lot of money left over for wheels, tires, maybe even like rock sliders.
Dude, front bumper.
Bumper.
Dude,
rear bumper. Yeah,
dude,
yeah.
like ladder, dude, solar.
Are we going compostable toilets now?
That's right, dude.
Oh, off to quartzite we go.
We checked out the inexpensive option
very
here.
simple.
To give your
like
van
4
2
little
inches of
bits.
lift.
That's
Very
right.
commendable. But I got something else, dude.
Okay.
Okay, I got the ultimate transit suspension.
Absolutely, we saw it online, right?
We saw it online, dude.
Okay.
We saw it on the rack, dude. The components in this, unmatched.
Absolutely.
Okay, it's a big jump from 450 to 8,000, but I think you'll see that it's well worth it.
I'm really
I'm
excited to see it.
gonna grab a few components. I'll show you right now.
Absolutely, I'm really looking forward to this. For $8,000, I think this is gonna be mind-blowing.
Yo, what do you think, dude? What do you think?
That's it?
That's it, dude.
For $8,000, that's all. That's it?
That's all you're
Are you
getting.
sure?
Dude. Nah, I'm just messing with you, dude.
All right,
Dude,
I was gonna
this
say,
is just
that's
one
like-
component of the whole overarching kit here, okay? This is the lower control arm support bracket. So due to the limitations of the unibody construction on these Ford Transits, there's a weak spot right underneath the lower control arm. This completely eliminates it, gives it way more structural support, gives your kit longevity.
Absolutely, interesting. Yeah, we're talking about the Ford Transit, right? It's a unibody design, whereas the E-Series that preceded it was a body over frame design. We're in a completely different era.
Totally different.
So what else you got? Because this is not the only thing. It's a big hunk of metal coming through.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
So what are we looking at
Dude,
here?
we're looking at a fully fabricated Gen 3 lower control arm from WeldTec Designs.
All right, so that's what this bracket is going to be supporting,
That's
right?
exactly what it's doing.
Great. All right, look at those welds. Those are some nice welds right there, right?
American craftsmanship at its finest,
Not
dude.
bad, not bad.
That's the kind of quality you're gonna get with this product. So the great thing about this, dude, you can adjust your caster.
Okay.
And obviously caster is what helps your vehicle go down the road straight.
So do you have to take it off your vehicle to
You
adjust all
don't,
that?
dude. That's
No.
what's so great about
No
it.
way.
You can do it in the car. So dude,
Very
it makes
interesting.
alignment so easy, dude.
Now, Taylor, correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think I've ever seen a lower control arm with nuts, much less golden nuts.
Well, these golden nuts actually control this plate here, which controls your camber.
Okay, isn't the camber what controls the vertical axis of your wheels and tires on your vehicle?
That's correct, dude. That is exactly what it is. Dude, you've been watching those WTDU videos.
I've seen
huh?
a few of them. Yeah, trying to get my learning up. Absolutely.
heck yeah,
Okay.
heck
Is this it or is there more?
Oh, there's more, dude. But this next one, I'm gonna need your help with. It's kind of heavy. It's
Okay.
heavy.
All right, so let's put this down and let's go. I'll help you
Show
out.
you where it's at.
Absolutely. Gosh, dude, you were not kidding when you said this thing was heavy, man. This must be at least 50 pounds right here. Oh my God. All right, so what exactly are we looking at here?
This is a WeldTec Designs progressive leaf spring.
So where's it go and what do we need it for?
So this is gonna go in the rear of your vehicle, and the beauty about this thing is it's completely built to the weight of your van.
Okay, so if my van is X amount of pounds, this is going to be rated for that weight. Is that what you're saying?
Correct. Also, lift is built into the arc of the spring.
Okay.
So no blocks necessary. And what's great about it is it gives you a really nice ride.
Sweet. So it's going to be a more comfortable ride back because like I had blocks before, right? And it's
Yeah,
just a harsh,
rough,
pumping
right?
ride in the back.
This is going to completely eat that up.
Absolutely. Okay.
All right, it's getting a little crowded up here, but I
Okay.
got something pretty cool that I think you're going to like.
What we got, last but not least, whoa, rear king shocks with a reservoir. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, give this to me.
Yeah.
Look at this. This is for the Ford Transit?
This is for the Ford Transit.
There's nothing like this on the market. This is the first one. This is a beefy coilover for the Ford Transit. We got a 2.5 king shock that's fully rebuildable. You can revalve the shock to your liking, and there's a ton of oil in here. It's gonna give you the best ride for your Ford Transit. And we got the external reservoir holding even more oil. Look at this. Compression adjustment. You could adjust the ride to make it firmer or softer. And of course, you can not only preload the spring, you could also change it out if you want a different spring rate. This thing is just awesome, man. I've never seen anything like this from King Shocks. And then look at this rear shock right here. Another 2.5, another beefy bad boy shock with an external reservoir, meaning even more oil. And you still get the clicky. That's what I'm talking about. You can adjust the compression right on the shock without taking it out.
I just want to know, how did you know all of that stuff?
I'm just obsessed with shocks, bud. I love shocks, and I love King shocks, that's for sure. Well, dude, we have a lot of stuff here. We have a menagerie of different items, okay? So let's get your items over here. As much as I want these shocks close to me right now, and let's get your spring over here. Okay, you got a lot of things over here, okay? But everything comes in pairs. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different parts. That's everything, right? And that's your $8,000 right here. Okay. And I got my 2 coil spacers here for 450 bucks, okay? It's 4 pieces really, not just 2. You get the hardware with it, but the price difference is huge here. And I'm still getting 2 inches of lift. And you're getting how many inches of that?
I'm getting the same, 2 inches of lift.
2 inches of lift. Okay, so Taylor. Okay, I already have the ultimate ride.
No, you
Look,
don't.
all I need is accessories.
You're basically running the stock. This
setup.
ride is going to feel like you're driving on. Dude, I think it is.
Okay, maybe
I think this is like the best possible upgrade you
This
can do
is
to
gonna
your
be the
Ford
same
Transit.
exact
You
ride
can go back
as
and
this.
forth all day on this. I think what we really need to do is take it to the streets. Really test these out. See what they can do, what they're made out of.
You got a good point there, Taylor.
Yeah.
Let's drive.